What's up, Jabo here, and today we have a new video. Now 6ix9ine, man, we have not talked about him in a while. We already know that last week or a few days ago, whatever, he was in court, but nothing really happened. He was not released on bail or anything like that, because apparently his lawyer or whatever, he didn't, I guess, submit for bail or whatever. So we're gonna see what happens with that. He is going to be in court once again sometime next month. However, it looks like a new article came out by TMZ today, and they're claiming here that 6ix9ine ended up snitching on one of his associates, and that associate is actually Kuda B. All right, if you guys remember who this is, he was like the guy who would always be dancing and stuff like that, and that was like a really well-known friend of 6ix9ine. And according to this article from TMZ, it says here 3 known associates of Tekashi 6ix9ine just got slapped with federal indictments, and law enforcement sources tell TMZ 6ix9ine dropped the dime on one of them for the Chief Keef shooting. Law enforcement sources tell TMZ, and they give the names of the people, and it says here have all been indicted in connection with crimes related to 6ix9ine. More specifically, we're told Mackenzie, aka Kuda B, was indicted right after 6ix9ine spoke with investigators and pinned him as a trigger man at the Keef shooting last June in Times Square. So obviously 6ix9ine did, was cooperating and stuff like that, which cooperating with the police is called snitching, right? And it says here Mackenzie, which is Kuda, was allegedly paid $10,000 to shoot Chief Keef, according to our law enforcement sources. Remember, 6ix9ine and Keef had been beefing leading to the following shooting. As we reported, 2 men, including a known 6ix9ine associate, tracked down Keef in New York City and opened fire but missed. And it says here we're told authorities have not apprehended Mackenzie, and it says here another individual is already in custody for allegedly kidnapping and assaulting 6ix9ine. Now, like I said, man, everybody on social media right now is freaking out about 6ix9ine and him cooperating with the police. From looking at this article, man, 6ix9ine has snitched on one of his associates, connecting him to this Chief Keef shooting that happened a few months ago. We know what happened with 6ix9ine and Sosa. It was just crazy to see how all that really unfolded, man. It was just insane how 6ix9ine was out here wilding out, trying to put hits on people, especially after we seen the footage of that hit where he said, I got a 30 pack or whatever. So, hey, from looking at this article, man, 6ix9ine ended up snitching on one of his associates, Kuda B. Crazy stuff, man. Damn, it is what it is. But hey, we'll see what happens next month. He will be in court once again, so we'll see what happens by then. But from looking at this article, it is what it is. And that is it for this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, hit that bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. But yeah, I'm out.